Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Imaginative Prayer. Here's your time to take about 10 minutes to sit quietly, taking long, deep breaths, listening to the words as I speak them, letting them touch you and change your heart, and connect you with the mind and the conscience of God. This can be done in a seated position or it can be done laying on your back, whatever is comfortable for you. Today's meditation is called God as Mother. You are an infant lying in your tiny crib. Waking suddenly in the night, you feel frightened and begin to cry. Your body tenses up. You're alone and disoriented. You don't know what's wrong, but you cry because you feel something is. Feel your frustration, fear, helplessness. A soft voice comes out of the darkness, and gentle hands pick you up. Hush, hush, my baby. Mommy's here. Your body begins to relax as your mother sings over you and rocks you back and forth, back and forth. Your tears stop and you snuggle into the warmth of your mother's arms. Your worries and fears are gone now. Nothing concerns you. There's nothing you need. Rest in the arms of your mother, your head pressed against her chest. You hear the rhythmic beating of her heart and feel her chest gently rising and falling, with each breath she takes. You're completely safe and perfectly loved. As you continue to rest, gently change your perspective. This is not your physical mother who rocks and holds you so lovingly. This is God, your mother. God, the life giver and nurturer, holding you gently, enveloping you in love. God, your mother, wipes your tears and smiles while gazing into the beautiful face of her beloved child. Rest in the arms of your mother. Rest in the arms of God. What's it like for you to consider God as mother? How does that feel for you? What happens when you picture yourself as a distressed baby? How does it feel to be picked up, held, and comforted by God, your mother? What happens when you picture God singing to you and smiling with delight when she looks into your face? Share your feelings about God to God. Listen for the song that God, your mother, sings over you. Thanks so much for stopping by.